Struggling with the 12-mark question in AQA GCSE History? Here's how to master it step by step and turn panic into confidence. Every 12-marker is testing your ability to explain causes or reasons, not just list facts. You need a clear structure to get top marks. Use the P.E.E.L structure for every paragraph, point, make a clear argument, evidence, give a specific example, explain, show how it answers the question. Link, connect it back to the main focus. Example, point N, the Treaty of Versailles caused resentment in Germany. Evidence, Germany was forced to pay $6.6 billion in reparations. Explain, this led to anger and economic hardship, fueling extremism. Link, therefore, it created long-term tension in Europe. That's what examiners love. Clear explanation, not just description. 3 paragraphs like that can secure you full marks. To finish strong, write one mini conclusion. Overall, the main reason was because it had the biggest impact. Simple, clear, and exam perfect. Master this structure and every 12-marker becomes easy. This is HistoCademy, where history comes alive. Subscribe for more.